This is part 3 of the custom PCB. I started by soldering all the header pins of the Pi Pico. I used the PCB to make sure the pins were aligned all the way. After the Pi Pico had been soldered, I took some female headers, cut it to size, and then soldered all of them onto the PCB. After that was done, I could drop the Pi Pico into the headers. I soldered the button on. After the button was soldered, I wanted to test before I started soldering the other buttons, and this was the lower volume button, and it worked.